Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Midea Washer Dryer Combo, a 24-inch all-in-one front load unit that washes and dries in a single machine. Let's break down what it offers. This is a true all-in-one unit, no transferring loads between a washer and a separate dryer. It includes multiple modes to handle different laundry needs, including steam care, overnight wash and dry, a reload function, quick wash, washer clean, and air fluff. Space and energy efficiency are real strengths here. At 2.7 cubic feet, this is a compact unit that's well suited for families of 3 to 4 living in apartments, RVs, or other space-limited situations. It uses a BLDC inverter quattro motor, backed by a 10-year warranty, and it's passed DOE energy efficiency testing, meaning solid performance without excessive energy consumption. One genuinely convenient feature is the overnight wash and dry cycle. You can start your laundry at night and wake up to clean, dry clothes in the morning. It's worth noting the default dryer program runs about 4 hours, while the combined wash and dry program runs about 6 hours. Also important, you'll need to remove the transport bolts before first use to prevent excessive movement and shaking during operation. Control is handled through a sleek, concise control panel, offering 16 programs and 6 extra features to cover a wide range of laundry situations. Installation is straightforward too, using a standard 120V outlet with no venting required, which is a real advantage for apartments or units where exterior venting isn't an option. For fabric care, the steam care function helps keep clothing soft while eliminating stains, germs, and bacteria for a more thorough clean. The air fluff feature keeps clothes fresh for up to 8 hours after the drying cycle ends, helping prevent odors from setting in if you can't get to the laundry immediately. Overall, the Midea Washer Dryer Combo combines genuine space-saving convenience, ventless installation, and a practical overnight cycle, making it a strong choice if you want full laundry capability without a dedicated laundry room or external venting. I'll leave a link to this washer-dryer combo in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.